Oh. Go, grab it and pull it through the back of it. Jeez! Straight through it. Man, they actually ripped a big hole in the back, eh? Compared to what's in the front.
Now we're shit at shooting. Oh good. Come up one.
Okay.
Got it.
Jeez, that was a wee bit high. Yeah, here we go.
You got it there?
Yep. Aim sort of near the bottom of it, sort of thing. It's ready to go. See what happened? Holy crap! They caught all of them! None of them went through.
Only bird shot, watch your fingers there.
They're all stuck in the glass. What was that? No. There's one, look, there's one right there.
Yeah. Oh well.
So 22s go through, but shotgun won't. Okay, now let's try the 375. You can shoot it.
You can. I'm not shooting.
Why not?
Lie down. It's gonna break me.
Okay. 375 at the iPad. Greg's too scared to shoot it. This is why.
Oh, God.
This is the bloody bullet.
It's like a shit tight, that's on my shoulder.
Well, the end of the barrel. It's huge. Leave that on.
No, I'm gonna like pucker it up.
No, you're gonna pat it on.
Ah, shit.
As long as it stays on your shoulder, you'll be fine.
Yeah, what if it slips off and smacks me in the face? I'm gonna hold it like that.
Make sure it's like sitting right up in your, like up further, so it's like right up on your.
She's live.
Make sure it's right up on your shoulder, like
Oh shit.
right up, like, so it's taking your whole shoulder.
Hey, chuck the iPad lower.
I'll lift this up. What?
Oh shit, just do it, eh?
You're a long way back. It's not going to get you that far back. Just hold on to it real tight.
Ah. You ready?
Yeah,
I don't wanna miss.
you'll be right.
Ready?
Yeah. Holy shit! How's your shoulder?
It's actually not too bad.
Is it not?
Nah, just do it, eh? Just pull it.
Yeah. Okay, let's go and quickly look at the iPad first.
Oh, wait for me, man.
Jeez.
Oh, if I saw it there, I'd shoot it. That's right.
Yeah.
Too chicken.
Oh my god, look at the hole in it. Oh, at least you got it in the middle.
Yeah. Well, it should be kind of accurate.
No, it didn't even.
Look at this.
Oh, I pulled that off before. It didn't even, like, it just went straight through. I thought it might have, like, actually munted it, but.
No, it's quite a big case as well. It goes pretty. It's going kind of fast.
Hey, look, it pushed off the Apple logo.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Your turn.
Yeah. Okay, let's shoot it again. See what happens. Yeah, chuck one in.
Okay, so you're ready to go. Where do you want me to record from?
Oh no, just stand there and record.
Hold the target as well?
Are you ready?
Wait. Okay, go. How was that?
Holy crap!
It kicks pretty good, eh?
It's a different, like, compared to shotguns, it's different.
Oh. That's funny.
Oh. Holy moly. Oh, I didn't hit it very good.
Oh well, you got it. It's all like expanded out, eh?
Yeah, that's probably, it'll be full of shotgun pellets and stuff. I want to find the bullet, man. Holy crap. Okay, let's open this thing up and have a look what's inside. Here, hold that. Ooh, it's all like rubbery.
What's your glass in your fingers?
Look at it, it's all like Glasses are like rubbery.
Yes? Oh, I didn't even think about the video.
They're like stretchy and thing. This is the display, obviously.
Where's the lid at?
Try and find the little pellets. Well, if you had this in your pocket, all it would stop is a shotgun, not a 22. And that's only birdshot as well. Look at them all.
If you chucked a slug in there, it wouldn't.
Oh, little bird shots.
Look how small they are.
They're all, no, they're all smushed, look. Look at that one, it's all flat and stuff. All smushed up. Yeah, heaps of layers of screen stuff, eh? Some more smushed pellets.
Some high-tech stuff.
This is an old iPad as well. The one that we found in the river. The water damage. Holy, look, there's more plastic. It's all like shattered.
How they even designed something?
Well, the pellet, there's only 1, 2, 3 pellets that have gone through that to this piece here. All the rest of them got stopped in the first, like, pretty much piece of glass screen.
It's the rubber stuff. The rubbery.
Yeah, it got all stopped going through that, and this stuff didn't really get it all hit this stuff, but only a couple went through it. And there's tin, and I've stopped here. It's all like hit it and stopped it. All the tins like stopped it. That one might have went through maybe. Jeez, look at that hole. You got a finger in it. Look at that one.
That's 22, isn't it? That's a 22.
Yeah, even the 22 done. This, like the 375, like compared to the 22, is not. It is a bit more, but like.
Because it's going slow, probably 22, and it's like.
It's still 22. Still
This
a
thing's
pretty big hole.
This thing's like what, 2.2
It's
feet per second.
I wonder what's behind it. I wonder if I can get this middle piece out.
Probably not.
See if we can get the battery. I'm surprised the battery didn't catch on fire. It's probably buggered there, been water damage.
Oh, yeah.
Do we have anything like rip this out with?
Would have had no charge in it.
Yeah, that's why I need to get the pliers out.
Pliers? Got no pliers.
Oh no, I got it. The ball went straight in the battery. It's probably that buggered, that's why it wouldn't have caught on fire.
Yeah.
It smashed all the boards and shit. I can't get that off. See if we can get one of these out. These batteries must be like buggered as.
Glued in.
They'll be all buggered.
You know how these charge up?
From
They're
water.
like, they inflate.
Do they?
It's when when your iPad's charged, you know, it's like all round.
Is that how you charge it?
Yeah.
That's real round.
Yeah, it's how you know it's full charge.
Oh look, it's an Apple A5 thing. Don't know what that
What
is.
does that mean?
I don't know. It just says Apple A5. Well, didn't really do any good apart from a shotgun. So, pretty shit body armour.
You have to have like 5.
Yeah, if we had some more, but I can't afford just to buy iPads to shoot. Yeah, this is 375 versus lawnmower. It's like smoke. Holy, look, there's a middle and shit. Holy shit. Look in there. Look in there. There's the hole. Oh. In the back here, it's like coming. Holy shit, I can see. Like a perfect hole in there. You see that hole? All the way through. Just punch through all the places, and then it's hit here somewhere. It's fucking cool it in its exhaust. It's like stuck in the exhaust there. Got it. Or I don't know. It's mangled out. Oh no, look. No, here it is. Here, that's it. Okay. Maybe. I don't know, but there's bits of bullet everywhere here. It's like hit that exhaust. Like this. This way. You can see it plunged the bolt right through the engine. In there. It's pretty. Went right through and hit the exhaust. Bits of bullet everywhere. Bits of casing. I should have shot back for everything like that, but we got one more.